Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TR4756i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you ways to print documents with this printer and your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected both via wireless network and also using Canon Print app. To print document, go to My Files on your mobile phone, select My Files, then select Documents, then scroll down to select specific document you want to print out. Select on the document, then select just once, OneDrive, and wait for the document to open. These are 2-page documents. Gently tap on the screen, select 3 dots on top. It will show you appearance and printer icon. Select print icon, then scroll down and wait for the printer name to appear. TR4756 series. Select on it. Will show you a yellow printer icon. Then scroll down. Select the paper type as A4. ISO A4. Orientation, portrait. Select number of copies. You want to print it in color. Double-sided. Select long edge, double-sided. Then select print. Use Canon Print Service. Select OK. This is the document we printed out from mobile phone with this printer in color, double-sided. Another method to print documents, we're going to use Canon Print app. So this printer and mobile phone both are connected together using Canon Print app. Select on Canon Print app. And this is the printer showing us TR4700 series online. To print document, this is Canon Print app. Select Document Print. Then select Documents. Then select specific document you want to print out. Then you wait. The document is processing. This is 2-page document. Then you select Next. If you want to print all, then you select Print All. If you want to print current page or particular page, you can select I want us to print all. Select Change Settings. Select number of copies. Select the paper as A4, same as the original. Media type, plain paper. Color mode. Want to print it in color. Duplex printing. I want us to print it single page. And also now I want to change the color to black and white. So select monochrome. Then go back. Then select print. So these are documents we printed out, and it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. These are documents we printed out, black and white, single page. Printed this one in color, double-sided. Then you can go back to the home page. Then select yes. This is Canon Print app. So these are methods to print documents from mobile phone with this printer. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.